A question I get asked all the time is what's the easiest way to grow my LinkedIn company page's audience? The simplest and most effective way is simply leveraging the existing networks and relationships of your employees. Because here's the thing, your team already have relationships with potential customers, partners, and industry peers. By simply asking them to participate and invite their LinkedIn connections to follow your company page, you instantly expand your reach with people who are more likely to know and engage with your brand. So how do you do it? It's super simple. Let's check it out. From your homepage on LinkedIn, navigate to your company page. You can do this on the left by going down to your company page, clicking tomorrow, or up here on the top right, you can click on your logo and scroll down to manage and click on your company page. From there, on the left-hand side, all you need to do is scroll all the way down to invite to follow. This has changed recently. You used to go to admin tools at the top right. So if your screen's different, go up to the top right and click admin tools. From there, you can type in the name, find the people that you want to follow, click them up to 250 and invite. That's it. Once you've sent your invitation to all the followers, they will receive a notification on their end, and it's up to them whether they want to follow you or not. They will though. The thing to remember here is that with a free subscription, you're limited to 250 connections per month. So make sure you keep encouraging your team to do this regularly, and you'll see steady organic growth in your company page's follower count. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it works for you. And if you found this content helpful, like and subscribe for more LinkedIn growth tips. Cheers, guys. Bye.